Yep, here we have a circa 1965 genuine original Vox AC10. I repaired this for a chap about 4.5 years ago roughly, and he's brought it back to me because it's gone bang. He's asked me to fix it. It was his dad's, and he wants it for sentimental reasons as well, obviously. So I've just taken out the chassis out of the cabinet and taken the actual chassis away from the base plate and sat it on my bench, and I've turned it round, and I thought I'd just throw the switch and see what happened, and something lit up. So I took that valve out and put it on a valve tester here, and I'm going to give you a few seconds to see this. Watch this. Whoa, Christmas tree. Yeah, Father Christmas came early in amp repair headquarters today. Anyway, so that'll be a new EZ81 on order, and hopefully nothing else needs done. I had a look inside here, and I'd done a lot of work on this 4.5 years ago. All the original caps were all shot to bits and things like this, and various other issues. But yeah, these Vox AC10 original ones, they sound great. They really do. The Vox AC10 you get these days is nothing like this. This is the real McCoy. This is the Captain Kirk, you know. This is it, you know. It's fantastic. It's a real pleasure to work on. So yeah, we'll see how we get on with this. Anyway, all the best. Bye bye.